Morning everyone, this is Ivo Miguel, your sometimes favorite YouTuber. Don't mind the music coming from my baby brother, okay? Okay, this is the tutorial to how to do the trend. First, I will let you see what does the trend look like. This is the trend that looks like.
You don't even know what you're asking me to confess. You have nothing, I don't have to tell. You don't even know.
That's what the trend looks like, and I'm about to teach you how to have this app. First, you go to the Play Store and search Mosh Up. When you search that, press the icon for its picture. The problem is that on iPhone it is free, but if you're on mobile, it's for 103 videos or cents. It costs money for Android. And I'm about to tell you how to download for free. Okay, there. Go to Google. Over here. Press search. Mosh Up app. If you see this, press this. And then, if you have it, go to the start download. Because if you press alternative, you will have to pay for it in Android. When it's downloading, just download for it. Since I have downloaded already, so if it says download, just click download. Go for details up to the top. It's fast downloading, so never react so much. Seen this, I have already downloaded all of these apps. If it is now unlocked, press it. For you, it says install, but now for mine, it's open. And that's how to download this app. Thanks for watching.